This is another variation on the single leg lowering. This is a dead bugs. It's modified from the TBI course, dead bugs leg drop. So basically, you can do it with your hands against the wall to activate the core, or sometimes like people do it, grab the side of a ply box. You can also do it grabbing a band, by a band, attach it there, pull that down there, as a way to get the core, just a little extra core activation, so the lats involved. And lift the legs up, and then slowly lower one. And as with the single leg lowering, the focus of this is that I don't want my pelvis to rotate as I lift the lower leg. So you can see the abs are quite activated. I actually personally find this to be a very challenging exercise. I think anterior core or the abs is probably one of my weak spots. But yeah, so give this a try if you're looking for some more options for strengthening the core, the ab in particular, and in particular actually lower abs. I know there's some people who theorize that you can't strengthen and differentiate between upper and lower abs, but I believe there's other studies that have shown that's not quite the case, that there are separate fibers. That said, just based on how I feel it, how my clients feel it, there is actually more of a feeling down in the lower abdominal area. Nice pelvic stabilizer.